In front of me is Motorola Edge 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and tapping on a microphone at the top right corner. If icon of a microphone is not visible, click on this gear one. Select voice typing in keyboard settings and enable it thanks to this switcher next to use voice typing. Then go back and click on no visible microphone. Choose while using the app in the pop-up and start talking. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you can pause or tap on the same microphone. Now my favorite feature, tap on your microphone and then select tiny icon right next to it. This one. Then hit next, select done and enjoy using voice typing from this toolbar. To move it around, hold it, drag it and place it wherever you wish. To delete text on the go, use this button with an X. To manage some available options, click on those three lines on the left. And last but not least, to go back to standard keyboard, tap on keyboard icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!